Dense trees, lush green leaves, carpet full of soft grass, and so many other such factors make forests an extremely important habitat for several organisms. Have you ever been to a forest? Well, if not, then let's have a virtual tour in this video. This is how a typical rainforest would appear from a distance. Can you notice that some trees are very tall while others are comparatively less tall? And the lower region has smaller ones like shrubs and grass. Is this how most of the densely packed forests look? Yes, this is exactly how they look. So in order to study them, we divide the forest region into various zones. These zones are also called layers. So how do we name them? Do we name them as Layer 1, Layer 2 and so on? No, we don't. Each layer has got a specific name. Let's understand the layers as we move from the top to the bottom. To begin with, can you notice these few trees popping out their heads from this lower green belt? That's called the emergent layer. Why emergent? That is because the layer has only a few tree heads that emerge out. Now, as this layer has only a few trees emerging out, it's obvious that these trees receive maximum amount of sunlight. They are also capable of withstanding extreme weather conditions like excess heat and heavy rainfall. After this layer comes this green belt. The layer is called a canopy. What does canopy mean? In literal terms, it means a covering hung over something, especially a throne or bed. So is this layer covering something? Yes, it is. The layer forms a roof over the smaller trees below it and also the forest floor. The canopy is further divided into upper canopy and lower canopy. The upper canopy has trees with comparatively smaller leaves, while the lower canopy has larger leaf trees. The lower canopy is very rich in animal life. The presence of larger leaves, availability of plenty of food, and many such other factors favor the dwelling of organisms in this zone. Now, which region can you spot after the canopy? It's this region. The zone is called as Understory. The humid conditions of this layer also help in development of rich animal culture. Several species of reptiles, insects, and even mammals like bats dwell in this layer. Several interesting animal adaptations like camouflage, sharp sensory organs, and many more can be studied in this region. And not only animals, but even a variety of plants like shrubs, ferns, climbers, and so many others are found in this region. The last zone we need to know about is the forest floor. As the name suggests, this layer is the base, or simply put, the lowest zone of all. What do you think will be the life forms found in this region? Plants like creepers and grasses are abundantly found forming lush green carpets on the forest floor. What about animals? All the terrestrial animals occupy this zone in the forest. From big cats like jaguars and tigers to the huge animals like elephants, many animals occupy the forest floor. Not only these, but even smaller insects and a few animals like frogs are seen in this layer. This was about the various layers of a typical forest. Each layer has its own significance. But can you tell me what the importance of studying a forest is? What will happen if we do not have forests in nature? Why are forests so important? Let's find out the answers in the next video.